Hello, good morning children. I'm Mr. Haris Kantharia. This video for class 7, subject English, unit 2, adjective and their kinds. This is the first part of this chapter. Here I will explain what is an adjective and the kinds of adjectives. Children, in our Get Going Grammar book on page number 45, our unit 4, adjective and their kinds. Before going to teach and complete the exercise of this chapter, I want to show some slides. Here I'll explain the adjective and their kinds along with some examples. First of all, children, see here in the first slide here I have given the definition of adjectives. What are the adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Means adjectives are words that modify the nouns. Okay, they give some more meanings of the nouns. When we ask the question like what kind of noun, which one is that, how many. Okay, so adjective answers such question like what kind, which one, and how many. For example, see here adjectives can be used to describe colors. Means for example blue, red, green, brown, purple, yellow, black. Adjective also describe opinion also. Good, quality, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light, happy. It describe the size of the noun, big, small, long, short. Describe the age of the noun, old, young. It describes the shape of the noun and pronoun, round, triangle, rectangular, square, oval. Okay, it describes the origin of the noun or pronoun, German, Malaysian, Indian. Okay, these are. It describes the material of the particular noun or pronoun, glass, metal, etc. It also describes the distance of the noun, long, short, near, far. It also describes the temperature of the noun, like cold, warm, hot, cool. It also describes the time of the noun, late, early. Okay, so these are the words we are using to describe the noun, and these are called the adjectives. Okay, these are all called the adjectives. Here children, see that I have given the types of adjectives. First, qualitative, descriptive, adjective. Second, quantitative adjective. Quality means it's so the quality, and quantity means that how much the quantity of the noun or pronoun. Then we have here third, demonstrative adjective, where we point out the noun or pronoun. Then fourth one is possessive adjective, so the possession. Then interrogative adjective. Then we have distributive adjective. Then we have seven number compound adjective. So here there are some types of adjectives are given. In the next slide we will learn about all the uh, types of adjectives. Now first of all, see children, we are learning here qualitative or a descriptive adjective. Okay, qualitative means to describe the quality of the person or thing. For example, its size, general description, physical, age, shape, color, material, origin and purpose. These are called the qualitative. उसका quality दिखाता है. Noun का क्या quality, उसकी size क्या है, एज क्या है, उसका शेप क्या है, कलर क्या है, मटेरियल कौन सा है, ओरिजिन कहाँ से है, पर्पस क्या है. सो दिस ऑल we use the qualitative adjective to show the quality of the noun. See that here example given, the tall girl is my classmate. So here in the italic color written tall. Tall is an adjective which describes the girl. Okay, girl is a noun, and with the word tall it is described. So it shows the quality of the girl. That girl is tall. Okay, the students achieved excellent result. So result, what kind of result here? So we can see that here excellent result. So excellent is an adjective. Okay, in the next slide we'll see the next kind of adjective. The second type of adjective is quantitative. So the quantity of the noun or pronoun to indicate the number or amount of the things. See that here example, she found many pens under the table. So here many pens. It shows the quantity of the pen. Many. How many pens here? Many pens. Okay, so pen is described with the word many. So it shows the quantity of the noun or pronoun. There was no milk in the jug, so the capacity of the milk is given in the jug. There is no milk, so no is an adjective here. It describes the milk, and so the quantity of the milk means that the jug is empty. जग जो है वो पूरा, मिल्क जो है बिल्कुल नहीं है वहाँ पे. Then the third one, there are 37 students in this class. Okay, so students are the number of the students here. 37 exact number of the students are given. So 37 is an adjective. Okay, so quantitative adjectives show the quantity of the noun and pronoun. Then children, the third number, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives means to point out noun or pronoun. Okay, this is my friend Dina. So we are pointing out to the Dina. Okay, and we are saying this is my friend Dina. Those books belong to her. We are pointing out. See that these and those we are using for the singular and plural, and the noun is near or far. If it is near, then we are using the singular these, and far we are using that. In the plural we are using these and those. Okay. Number 4 is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective means used with noun to ask question. Okay, mostly that WH words, what, whose, where, why, how, and which. Whose pen is this? Okay, so pen described with here interrogative adjective whose. Which way shall we go? So way is described here with the word which. It is an interrogative. जो question वाला होता है. Okay, so interrogative adjectives are what, whose, where, why, how, and which, that we are using to ask question. Okay. Then here number 5, possessive adjective. It's so the possession. Okay. We use this possessive adjective to show possession. Okay, मालिकी बताना, possession दिखाना. My, your, his, her, their, its. This is her hat. Okay, so hat is belong to her. Their parents came to my house yesterday. See that here, their parents. So parents, किसके parents? उसके parents, their parents. Okay, in my house. So my and their, so the possession. Okay, so here we have learned about the possessive adjective. Okay. Number 6, we have here distributive adjective to show that the person or things are counted collectively. Okay, or normally used with the singular nouns. Refer to member of groups, individual. Okay, for example, each, every, either, neither. So each participant was asked to complete a survey. Either or these movies would be interesting to me. So each and either here known as the distributive, जिसमें हम distribute करते हैं. So each participant was asked. So participants are here distribute each. So it is called the distributive adjectives. Okay, here participants describe with the word each, and this is distributive adjective. Okay, to show the person or things are counted collectively. On number 7, we have compound adjectives. These are not there in your portion, but I am explaining this compound adjective made up two or more words. often linked together with hyphens to link the word together to so that it is one adjective. Lightweight, okay, duty free, hyphens we have used between this light and weight. This icon, the dash wala jo icon hai, it is known as a hyphens. Okay, so we are using and then we are explaining. So lightweight, duty free, 4 foot, part time, cold blooded, well behaved. See that here. So we have to be open minded about things. Here two words, okay, join with the hyphens. Okay, so this is called the compound adjectives. Okay, the second sentence is the lady is wearing a pair of high heel shoes. Okay, so high and heel, these both the words join with the hyphens. Okay, so this is called the compound adjectives. Okay, children, I hope you understood what is an adjective and their kinds. Okay, so here there's one activity given. Here, first of all, it is activity in your Get Going Grammar, page number 46. There is a first activity given. Open your textbook. Let us do it. Identify and write the noun and the describing word. So, in this sentence, we have to find out noun, okay, and the word which is describe the particular noun. Okay, so Meera is our class teacher. So class teacher is noun, okay, and our possessive, as we have seen, our class teacher. So our is a possessive adjective. Then see here, second sentence, as Radhakrishnan was a renowned philosopher. So philosopher, and what kind of philosopher? He is renowned philosopher. So like this, we have to identify the noun and the word used here in the sentence for to describe that particular noun. Okay. See that here in activity 2, supply at least two appropriate describing word for each of the noun given in the bracket and complete the sentences. Mrs. Kantipal was an uh, dash administrator. So here I have used efficient and honest. So there are two adjectives I have used here, okay, to describe efficient and honest. We can call it compound, okay, compound adjective also. Like this, you have to fill your own adjectives. You can use this all the adjectives also which I have written here. Once again, here it is given the definition of adjective. Students, you learn this all the definition very clearly, okay, and try to understand the adjective. I have already shown the definition of the adjective and the types of the adjective. Now will we continue with all the exercise of our textbook, okay. So we'll meet in the next video, student. Take care, stay safe, stay home. God bless you all.